Hi there, I'm Win, and here's how to do hard things. Have you always had something you wanted to do? Like learn an instrument, solve a Rubik's Cube, learn to draw, start exercising, or anything else? If you're wondering why it's often so hard to start, it's often because of preconditions. These are the conditions we have in our mind before starting something. Let's say you want to get better at drawing. Most people will have a precondition in their mind that they need to draw perfectly at the start, which is further reinforced with some people who watch thousands of tutorials before even starting something. Because more theory means you get to be perfect faster. But here's what happens instead. The more you watch, the more rules you essentially have to follow. I don't even know where to start. It's probably the most common phrase you'll hear, and that's caused by having too many possible starting points. The paradox of choice essentially means more options equals harder decision making, less satisfaction, and anxiety. Now, here's where that one advice that gets thrown around a lot comes in. Just start. Pick one aspect of the thing you want to do and do it. Draw a cube, a square, observe and copy another artist's work, anything. Remove the preconditions in your mind that it has to be perfect. The only precondition you now have is doing it. Nothing less, nothing more. The cold water doesn't get warmer if you jump later. Bathe in the discomfort like it's cold water. The first few seconds suck, but the first few minutes continue. If you still can't get started, grab your phone and set a timer for 2 or 5 minutes. Draw during that time. Most of the time, you'll want to continue. If not, at least you got closer to your goal. 1% progress is far better than zero. If you still can't get started somehow, here's another possible view for discomfort. Discomfort is simply the signal of your body trying out something new. It's your body's signal of exploration. And most of you probably like going to new places, trying out new things, or trying out new games. So why not try out new feelings as well? Peace.